A robotic hand exoskeleton has been shown to help expert pianists improve their finger speed after just one 30-minute session. Developed by Shinichi Furuya at the Sony Computer Science Laboratories in Tokyo, the exoskeleton uses motors to improve each finger individually, helping pianists coordinate their movements and play faster. The device was tested on 118 skilled pianists who saw improved finger dexterity and coordination after the training, the new scientist has reported. The research suggests that passive movements can enhance learning, potentially altering the brain's sensory areas to better control finger movements.